Hi, I'm Kelly Broderick from Cleanworks Australia. I started and I now own a multi-million-dollar commercial clean business in Brisbane. I initially met Lee Stemm through my business partner Katie Hudebarrett. Katie Hudebarrett was having a few problems with basically managing staff and the staff's behavioural, and she also wanted to develop her skills in business. So she worked with Lee on a one-on-one basis. And we found Lee to be very knowledgeable and had a lot of skills and tools that she taught Katie. So what we decided to do was put Lee working with our business intensively in terms of she worked with our staff one-on-one and was doing behavioural coaching with them and looking at their roles, the KPIs, responsibilities, and just helping them with all weaknesses that they might have had in their own role. And what she also did was also work with us on a group basis too. So she aligned all our values, went through the group and got us to write down all our individual values and also what was our values as a group, which we still have today and has worked out to be very effective for our business. So I found Lee to basically, if you do have a problem, she is there to help you. She will sit down with you and nut out basically a plan, a program, and create anything for you of what you need with your business, or if you are having problems with staff. I found that one of her specialties was conflict with staff. As we grew, we had more staff in the office, but we also found that we had more conflict. One of the times I remember is that we had conflict between three ladies in the office, and Lee was able to come in and assist Katie and myself because we'd never been through that before and we didn't know how to handle it. And Lee was able to assist us with basically mediating the group and the conflict between the ladies, and sat within the group and or the ladies and helped each individual one. So conflict resolution was definitely a key for us when working with Lee. And Lee also has helped us in many other areas. She has spoken to clients. We wanted to basically continue to build our reputation in Brisbane. We wanted to know more what our clients were exactly thinking. So Lee went out on a one-on-one basis and has been talking to all of our clients and been sitting down with them and really drawing from them, what they think of Cleanworks and what they think of our service, and that has been a vital key in being able to implement different strategies within our business to help us continue to grow. Lee has also implemented a group monthly workshop that she does in Brisbane. I think it's a fantastic idea. With smaller businesses, it's very hard to offer the in-house coaching for the individual or yourself or staff. And larger coaching organisations, they might want you to pay $10,000 or more to put one of your staff members through a 12-month program, whereas Lee's offering this at a very affordable price for small businesses, because at the end of the day her mission is that she wants to help as many businesses as possible and as many business owners grow their business and reduce the conflict with the staff or with office, and really help managers get an idea of how they should be managing their staff to get the most product out of them. And to work, in a happy environment too. So I really feel what she's doing with her 12-month workshops, a workshop every month, and is affordable, and it's just an absolute fantastic program. And I really praise Lee, and I think Lee, you're doing a wonderful job there. So if you are experiencing problems or with your staff or with yourself, or you really just wanting to grow as a business owner, I was told that basically when you stop growing as a business owner is when the business stops, or the same thing, when you stop growing as a personal manager, your role stops there. So if you're really just wanting to grow your skills and grow your knowledge, ring Lee. She's a wealth of knowledge and she can really help you with any area that you have. I'm definitely confident in that. So best of luck, Lee, and best of luck to all of you. Thanks very much.